Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Twilio functions using backups or Git deployments, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Twilio functions using backups or Git deployments, begin by logging into your Twilio console. Navigate to the Functions section on the dashboard. Locate the specific function you wish to restore. If you have a backup, click on the Backups tab associated with that function. Choose the backup version you want to restore from the list. Click the Restore button next to the selected backup. Wait for the restoration process to complete, and then verify if your function is active. If you're switching to a Git deployment, first ensure you have your Git repository ready. Clone the repository to your local machine if you haven't done so already. Open a terminal and navigate to the local repository directory. Make sure you are on the correct branch with the command git checkout branch name. Pull the latest changes from the remote repository to ensure all updates are included. Deploy the function using Twilio CLI by running the command Twilio serverless deploy. Monitor the terminal for deployment success messages. Once deployed, verify that the function is operating by testing its endpoint. Check Twilio's dashboard for any logs or errors to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, refer to the deployment logs for troubleshooting. Make adjustments as needed and redeploy if necessary. Lastly, review your function's settings and permissions to ensure proper operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.